Let's go. I'll be back in a minute. It's right here. Okay. Guess what, everybody? I love nature. I love nature. Comment down below that reference, and you get a high five. I can't even tell where I'm at. Ooh. Whoa. This place is spooky. And I say that because I can hardly see. I see half of a car. Literally. This car is funny. I don't want to touch it. Yo, to me it looks like I'm touching the handle. Oh, there. That's scary. I saw a car. Yo. Okay, this is freaking me out. And it's cold out here. Is there anything y'all want me to do on VR Adventures? Because, oh, I got an idea. Walking in the party with this girl looking at me. Skinny jeans on and my hair nappy. Okay. Dance now. Did you on the beat? Did you on the beat? Did you on the beat?
Video?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see me?
Yeah.